Morning, we could learn the results of a vote to authorize a possible strike at Kaiser Permanente.
And it would impact tens of thousands of healthcare workers around Southern California. News 8's Chris Groves joining us live outside Kaiser Permanente Hospital in Kearney Mesa with a closer look at this story. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning, and according to leadership, all signs are pointing now that this strike will be approved. Of course, we're going to wait for those official results, but again, we are talking about potentially as many as 31,000 healthcare workers on strike. We're talking nurses to pharmacists, again, likely going to have a major impact on Kaiser Permanente. Now, where we get that 31,000, let's break it down here. 24,000 from the main unions that we're talking about here. The United Nurses Association of California and United Healthcare Professionals Union. That union, again, fighting for better wages. But an additional 7,000 healthcare workers from the United Steelworkers Union could strike in solidarity as well, too. The results for both of those strikes are supposed to be finalized today. Now, the negotiations have been tense over wages. The union is asking for a 4% wage increase for all of its members over the next 3 years. But Kaiser offered a 1% wage increase with a 1% bonus for each year. New hires in 2023 would be offered a reduced wage, and that's really been a sticking point with these unions. However, Kaiser released a statement in September during these negotiations saying in part, quote, "We ask union leaders to continue to work constructively toward an agreement rather than call on nurses and other employees to walk away from patients who need them during this pandemic."
Currently, nurses push themselves to the limits, and we do to care for our patients, but we need better staffing so that we have more time to invest in their healing. We need more nurses and more staffing to help them heal.
Yeah, and as you hear there, it's not just wages, also staffing. Nurses saying that they are overworked, especially during this pandemic. Now, to read more about what the union and as well as Kaiser Permanente, more on what they have to say about these negotiations as well as the potential for this strike, just go to our website, cbs8.com. Click on that story link. Eric and Stella.